They're preparing the bricks to put up the walls around the house.
Ya kuumwa zamani kwa swaiba.
So they use the lines after they connect from one side to the other side. They run the lines, and then from there, they just place the bricks straight, touching the lines, and so keep the bricks straight up and down. Second row of going up, second row of bricks. This area is for the bathroom. This area here is for the sink, the toilet, and here's the shower. This is the wall for the bathroom on one side, and the other wall will come here with the door in the corner.
Anafasiri kumbe kafungwa GPS. Anapotembea anaonekana.
Oh, so they stopped at 4 bricks here. So they will put a beam. What they do is to put a beam all the way around. So the beam will be metal, this metal here, all the way around in cement. Be like about like this thick of cement going all the way around with the metal inside, in the middle of it, and that's to make the whole the house wall sturdy. And then on top of that will be bricks going up to 11 feet, and then the roof. So tomorrow, inshallah, they put in the beam, and they also are going to put in the cement floor.